Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bambee HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.bambee.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bambee website. Now, if you wish to sign in to your employee account, you can click on Employee Sign Up at the top right corner, and you can also sign in to your company account. Now, within the login portal, just type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Bambee HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password underneath the login box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Bambee HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.